టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇన్వెన్షన్స్ అండ్ దేర్ డిస్కవరీస్. ఇన్వెన్షన్స్ అండ్ డిస్కవరీస్, వాటి యొక్క కంట్రిబ్యూటర్స్. ఏటీపీ లోహ్మాన్ ఇన్ 1929, బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్ ఏ, బి అండ్ ఓ కే లాండ్స్టీనర్ ఇన్ 1900, బ్లడ్ గ్రూప్స్ AB డి క్యాస్టెల్లో అండ్ స్టెర్లీ ఇన్ 1902, C3 pathway of plants Melvin Calvin, C4 pathway of plants Hatch and Slack, rule of DNA base pairing Chargaff, first test tube baby Edwards and Steptoe, first vaccination Edward Jenner, heterothallism in fungi Blaxley, DDT discovered by Muller in 1939, jumping genes by McClintock, Patau's syndrome by K. Patou, penicillin by A. Fleming in 1920, photophosphorylation Arner and Squat, TMV virus by Ivanovsky, vitamin by Funk in 1911. Now connection and missing links of biological world. The link and between the groups. Actinomycetes, bacteria and fungi. Archaeopteryx, birds and reptiles. Balanoclasses, chordates and non-chordates. Chimera, bony and cartilaginous fishes. Clubwasps, bryophytes and pteridophytes. Cycas, pteridophytes and gymnosperms. Netum, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Neopilenia, Annelida and mollusca. Ornithorhynchus, reptiles and mammals. Duck-billed platypus. Peripatus, walking worm. Annelida and arthropoda. Protopterus, lungfish. Pisces and amphibia. Rickettsia, virus and bacteria. Virus, living and non-living. Common abbreviations in biology. ABA, abscisic acid. ACTH, adrenocorticotropic hormone. ADH, antidiuretic hormone. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. ATP, adenosine triphosphate. ATPase, adenosine triphosphatase. BCG, Bacillus Chalmette-Guerin, attenuated form of tuberculosis. BMR, basal metabolic rate. BOD, biological oxygen demand. T240-24 dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. DDT, diphenyl trichloroethane. DLC, differential leukocyte count. ECG, electrocardiogram. EDTA, ethylenidamine tetraacetic acid. ELISA, enzyme linked immunoresponse assay. FAD, flavin adenine dinucleotide. FADH, reduced flavin adenine dinucleotide. FMN, flavin mononucleotide. GDP, guanosine diphosphate. GLC, gas liquid chromatography. HFR, high frequency recombination cell. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. HMP, hexose monophosphate pathway. IAA, indolacetic acid. IMI, intramuscular injection. LH, luteinizing hormone. LSD, lysergic diethylamide. NAA, naphthalene acetic acid. NADP, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. NOR, nucleolar organizing region. OPV, oral polio vaccine. P680, reaction center of photosystem 2. P700, reaction center of photosystem 1. PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. PFR, phytochrome for red. PR, phytochrome red. RBC, red blood corpuscles. RUBB, RUTT, ribulose biphosphate or ribulose bisphosphate. Ribosco, ribulose bisphosphate carboxylase oxygenase TLC, thin layer chromatography or total leukocyte count. TMV, tobacco mosaic virus. UTP, uridine triphosphate. WBC, white blood corpuscles. Now come to the tallest among all. Tallest angiosperm eucalyptus, Australian species, 114 meters. Animal giraffe, Giraffa camelopardalis. In gymnosperm, Sequoia sempervirens, 111.25 meters. Monocot plant, date palm, Phoenix dactylifera. Now come to the smallest or shortest. Angiospermic flower, Olphia, 0.m mm. Angiospermic plant, Lemma, duckweed. Ape, gibbon, bone in man. Ear ossicle stapes, 2.6 to 3.4 mm. Bird, hummingbird of Cuba, Helene. Endocrine gland, pituitary. Gymnosperm, Jamia pygmea. Invertebrate major phyla, porifera. Number of animal chromosome, Ascaris 2. Number of plant chromosome, Haplopappus gracilis, 2n is equals to 4. Pollen grain, orchid, Pteridophyta azula. Now come to the longest. Bone of man, femur, cell, neuron, creeper, that is plant, elephant creeper, Entera persita, leaf, Raphia vinifera, 30 to 50 feet. Largest, biggest or heaviest. Algae, Macrocystis macrocarpa, brown algae, kelp 60 meters, amphibian, Cryptobranchus, antherozoids, Cycas circinalis, Archegonium, bryophyte moss, biome, richest in terms of plant species, tropical rainforest, bird sanctuary, Bharatpur, class of Plantae, angiosperms, coral reef in world, Great Barrier Reef of northeast coast of Australia, 2 into 103 kilometers. Exocrine gland, liver, flower, Rafflesia arnoldi. Largest forest area in India, Madhya Pradesh. Number of animal chromosomes, Alocantha radiolarian, 1600. Number of plant chromosomes, Ophioglossum, Pteridophyte, Adler's tongue, 2n is equals to 1260. Plant cell, Acetabularia, green algae. Pollen grain in angiosperms, Mirabilis, 250 micrometers. Primate, gorilla, phylum of animals, Arthropoda. Now come to the glands of human body. Largest artery, abdominal aorta. Largest bone, femur, thigh. Largest heterocrine organ, alimentary canal. Largest endocrine gland, thyroid. Largest gland, liver, 1.5 kgs. Largest salivary gland, parotid gland, below ears. Least regenerative capacity, brain. Longest cell in the body, neuron. Longest cranial nerve, vagus. Longest nerve of the body, sciatic. Muscles, number C639. Smallest muscle, stapedius. Largest muscle, gluteus maximus. Longest muscle, sartorius. Number of cranial nerves, 12 pairs. Number of spinal nerves, 31 pairs. Smallest cranial nerve, abducens. Smallest endocrine gland pituitary. Speed of sneezing 60 to 100 miles per hour. Spinal cord weight 35 grams. Length 42 to 45 centimeters.